Their value is our value. Such is the essence of oneness. Holding the baby in our hands also reminds us that we need to have the innocence of a child in order to be at one with the universe. This was also mentioned in the Bible. At that time, the disciples came to Jesus and asked in rejection to who was considered to be the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. He responded by calling a little child and had him stand among them and said, I tell you the truth, unless you change and become like little children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. Therefore, whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Jesus also said, blessed are the children, for the kingdom of God is theirs. In other words, we must conduct children in order to enter the kingdom of heaven and be with God. This implies that we can see the characteristics of the godly in the child. Essentially, that godly nature we inherently possess is expressed very clearly in a child's behavior. In Confucian terms, this is known as the heart of a newborn baby. A child or a baby has no greed or hatred, neither are they judgmental or discriminatory. Such is our pure and original nature we must strive to manifest. This is also the significance of the portrait of bodies of mercy and Mother Mary carrying a baby in their hands. This serves to be a reminder to our true identity and the way we ought to treat one another. Thus far, we have talked about the three phases. I remember I recite the first page
Very good.
We must constantly put them into practice so that we can greater stand elevation. There are some important information that we need to remember. The date of receiving ceremony. The date of the receiving doll. C. The name of the introducer and the character. C. The name of the master. Last but not least, all of us who came to receive doll today are required to make a contribution as a token gesture of our appreciation. The money contributed by those who received us today serve to establish the foundation of our spiritual cultivation. All the previous sentences, we need to go through a great deal of hardships and sufferings before they could receive God. They are required to perform these and cultivate themselves spiritually to establish their merit and spiritual foundation. The gratitude fee is for similar purpose. The money is not meant for any particular individual. Rather, it is gathered as a trust fund going for the purpose of carrying out of the work of God. On one hand, its use will establish the merit and foundation that we need for receiving God. On the other hand, it also helps us to to appreciate what we have received today. Finally, I would like to apologize for my inadequacy and my lack of eloquence. I hope my shortcomings will not deter you from understanding the literature. Thank you very much for your attention and for your precious time to come in to repeat out today. I trust that even though today will mark the beginning of your journey towards awakening and self-discovery. If you have any doubts or queries, please do not hesitate to voice them out. For clarification, my heartiest congratulations once again to those of you who received out today. I wish you all the best in your own path of cultivation and assurance of truth. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, very good.
Okay.